Today I thought I'd try using ChatGPT, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell ChatGPT that I want it to act like a dungeon master and play a game of Dungeons and Dragons with me. Uh, and then also I'm giving it a little bit of information to say that this game's going to be set in the Forgotten Realms and Faerun, and I'm going into a deserted cave system full of kobolds. So let's see what happens. Okay, it took it a while to work out what we're doing here, but now it's telling me that I'm in the city of Waterdeep, one of my favorite towns there, and home of the Waterdeep Trading Company, finest purveyor of goods for all of Faerun. And there's a group of merchants have reported that there's a nearby infested cave. So I'm on the road, and I'm going to uh, set out towards the cave. But before I start this, I'm going to say there are 4 adventurers in the party. So I don't want to go out by myself. So let's see if it asks me um, for the each adventurer. Okay. So let's say the first adventurer is a half orc barbarian called Thug. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of a backstory around Thug. It's been created for us. The second is a halfling thief called Barefoot. Okay, so now it's getting my second character there. Okay, third character is a human wizard called Bob. Okay, so now we've got a warrior, a thief, and a wizard. The final character is a dwarven cleric called Truestone. Okay, so now we're traveling to the cave. There's scurrying and growling can be heard from the cave. Let's just rush on in. So now we're at a fork in the road. So there's to the left, it goes deeper in. To the right, I think that's where the kobolds are. Well, it looks like we vanquished the kobolds, so let's try to find some loot. and the adventure finishes. So how cool is that? I don't need no stinking dungeon master.